Hello and welcome everybody. Welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes and myself Padma. Today I will be preparing banana stem and pumpkin sweet curry. Banana stem is called as Gabbo in Konkani and pumpkin is dudhi. And the sweet curry which is called as morgolu in Konkani. It is actually a spicy and a sweet curry, and you can have this curry along with hot tea and coffee as well as along with papad, or else you can even have it as such. Coming to the ingredients, you need half cup banana stem that is cut into pieces, and or if you want to prepare it with pumpkin, you can take ripened pumpkin, peel it off, peel it off, then cut it into cubes, and that cubes should be 1 cup or as per how much ever you require. Then you need 1.5 tablespoon grated coconut, 1/4 cup jaggery solution that is filtered and free of impurities you have to use, salt to taste. For seasoning you need oil, a small spoon mustard, a small spoon urad dal, cut pieces of red chilies and oil for seasoning. These are the ingredients and this is how I have cut the banana stem. First I will show you how to prepare it with banana stem, then I will show you the same procedure, but only the difference is that pumpkin cubes have been used. So I will be showing it with pumpkin cubes also. Take a kadai, heat it, add oil into it, heat the oil, add mustard seeds, and once they start to splutter, you can add the urad dal. Roast the urad dal until light rose colored, and then you have to add the sliced or cut red chilies. Sort them nicely for a second, then add the cut banana stem pieces, mix well, add salt, add the jaggery solution, mix well, and the raw flavor of the banana stem goes off and all the water has evaporated, and then you have to add grated coconut and mix. This is how your Gabbya morgolu will look like. Have it along with tea, hot coffee, or else with papad, or else even you can have it as such, since it is a sweet and a spicy curry. For dudhiya morgolu, you have to do the seasoning as I have told for Gabbya morgol, and then add pumpkin cubes, add jaggery solution. Once it has cooked, you can add the required amount of grated coconut, salt, mix well, and then take it into a serving bowl. Your Gabbya morgolu is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.